Welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. Athletics is where we begin. A newly crowned national champion, Kishane Thompson, sped to victory in the 100 meters at the International Athletics meeting underway in Hungary. Thompson clocked in 9.91 seconds to win the event ahead of Botswana's Letsele Tebogo, who clocked a season's best at 9.99, and South Africa's Akani Simbine 10.01. Fellow Jamaicans Rohan Watson was fourth in 10.15 and Michael Campbell seventh in 10.28. Meanwhile, Tia Clayton, she was second in the women's 100 meters, clocking 11.06 behind American winner Tamari Davis, who posted 11 seconds flat for victory. Fellow Jamaican Crystal Slowly was third in 11.15, while Natasha Morrison was fourth in 11.19 and Tina Clayton seventh in 11.52. Sean Bailey produced a season's best 44.64 for second in the men's 400 meters behind Bahamian winner Stephen Gardner 44.50. Two-time world champion Sherika Jackson is just about contesting the 200 meters alongside compatriot Lene Tava Thomas. Andrew Hudson, he was second in the men's 200 meters. In the field, Akeelia Smith with 6.82 meters, was second in the women's long jump, won by Natalia Linares of Colombia with 6.87 meters. Some cricket news now. Former West Indies captain Jason Holder says the team's win over Australia in Brisbane reignited his desire to play Test cricket. Holder last played for the West Indies against India in July last year and makes his return to the Test team after taking a break for the recent tour to Australia. The 32-year-old, who has played 64 Tests for the Caribbean side, will add much-needed experience to the squad.
What I did in Australia, for me, it gave me a renewed energy just to come back to the group, and try to be a part of something special again. And, I was really happy to play a few first-class games in the Caribbean this year. I haven't played probably for the last 4 years. And it was good to have 2 first-class games and then come over here and play a couple first-class games in English summer. So, yeah, all in all, I'm just happy, that I've been able to still get the body up and going and, being up for the challenge here. But yeah, missed Test cricket. This first Test match in a long time. So, yeah.
In the meantime, Holder, who has scored 2 of his 3 Test centuries against England, says that the team is confident heading into the opening Test at Lord's on Wednesday.
The guys, took a lot from that Test victory in Australia, obviously. And, for the group, we've been doing some really positive things over the last couple of months. And I think as a young side, the main thing is just to keep learning. It's something that I stress on within the group. Each and every individual just taking what they can take from each experience and just building on it. We'd be faced with different challenges here in England, obviously. It's just a matter for each individual to understand them, learn from them, and, make them better for the next day. But I think what we have in the dressing room is some special talent. We've got some special talent within our dressing room. There's no doubt about it. It's just a matter for us just to play some solid cricket, and, I just believe.
Staying on cricket, Jamaica's under-19 women's cricketers beat Barbados under-19s by 7 wickets a short while ago to secure their first win at the Cricket West Indies T20 competition being played at the Sir Frank Worrell Ground in St. Augustine, Trinidad. Chasing 92 for victory, the young Jamaicans posted 94 for 3 off 18.5 overs. Abigail Bryce top scored with 40 not out. Krishana McKenzie also made 14. Earlier, the Bajans posted 91 for 1. Asabi Calendar top scored with 31, while Najani Cumberbatch made 29. Some football news up next. The CONCACAF team Canada will battle defending champions Argentina in the first semi-final of the Copa America tournament this evening in New Jersey in the USA. Match time is 7 p.m. Jamaica time. Argentina had beaten the Canadians 2-0 when they met at the group stage earlier in the tournament. Uruguay battled Colombia in the other semi-final on Wednesday. And the first finalists in the Euro 2024 will be known today, with 3-time champion Spain going up against 2-time winners France at the Allianz Arena in Germany. Spain were able to just get by Germany 2-1 in extra time in their quarterfinal, while the French needed penalties to defeat Portugal. Spain's last triumph came in 2012 while France's last Euro victory was in the year 2000. The match kicks off at 2 p.m. Jamaica time. And that's where we leave the field of play for now. And I am Jermaine Brown. Shane, back to you.
Thanks, Jeremy. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shane Masters. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, have a good afternoon.